Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Infinix Note 12. And to do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store. Inside, find an app called Notify Buddy. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Right here we'll need to configure the app for this smartphone, so we'll need to grant 3 different permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled though. Click on the next step, then click OK, and from here we can start using the app. There's 4 different tabs: User, System, Active and Settings. In User you can enable any apps to allow for custom LED lamp notifications. Then in the System there's all apps that are bound to the system, and you can also activate any for this custom LED lamp notifications. In Active you can find all apps that you've just activated. And when you go to the settings, you can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen or color. Click on the test button to see the LED lamp, it's right here. And that's it for this video, hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.